Welcome to the bright and beautiful world of sunflowers, nature's very own solar panels.
Did you know that sunflowers are native to North America? That's right, they spread across the world from there.
Sunflowers are not just one flower. Each head is made up of thousands of tiny flowers called florets.
These botanical wonders exhibit a behavior known as heliotropism, where they turn their heads to follow the sun across the sky.
However, once they are fully grown, sunflowers generally face east to catch the early morning sunlight.
Sunflowers can grow incredibly fast under the right conditions, with some species capable of reaching up to 8 to 12 feet in just 6 months.
These towering plants are not just pretty to look at, they're also used for cleaning up contaminated soil and water through a process called phytoremediation.
Sunflowers are a symbol of adoration, loyalty, and longevity, making them a meaningful gift in many cultures. The sunflower's yellow color symbolizes vitality, intelligence, and happiness.
Van Gogh famously painted sunflowers during his time in Arles, France, producing a series that is now among the most famous in the world.
Sunflower seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with vitamin E, magnesium, and selenium. Not just the seeds, but sunflower leaves and stems have been used in herbal medicine to treat a variety of ailments.
In agriculture, sunflowers are valuable for companion planting, repelling pests from more sensitive crops.
The sunflower industry is crucial to the production of sunflower oil, which is considered a healthy alternative to other vegetable oils.
Sunflower fields can attract a wide range of pollinators, including bees, making them vital to supporting local ecosystems.
These plants can extract toxic elements such as arsenic, lead, and uranium from contaminated soil, showcasing their environmental importance.
In Russia, sunflowers are not just admired for their beauty, but they hold cultural significance and are a major agricultural product.
The world record for the tallest sunflower reaches over 30 feet, evidence of just how high these plants can grow. Sunflower seeds aren't just eaten, they're also used in making dyes and body paints by various indigenous tribes. Ever hear of a sunflower maze? Some farms create mazes out of sunflower fields, offering a unique way for visitors to explore nature. The pattern of seeds within a sunflower follows the Fibonacci sequence, showcasing the mathematical beauty of nature. There are more than 70 different species of sunflowers, ranging in color from the familiar yellow to red and even purple.
Sunflowers have been journeying into space since the 1980s, used in experiments to study plant growth and development under zero gravity. Historically, sunflowers were used by indigenous people for food, oil, and to make textiles and body paint.
In many cultures, sunflowers are symbols of faith and worship because they resemble the sun, which is often associated with gods. Because of their deep roots, sunflowers can improve soil quality and prevent erosion in agriculture.
Creative uses of sunflower include sunflower butter, an alternative to peanut butter, which is great for those with allergies.
Sunflowers can absorb radioactive materials and have been planted around Chernobyl and Fukushima to help with decontamination efforts.
Beekeepers often plant sunflowers near their hives to provide a rich source of nectar for honey production. The Guinness World Record for the most sunflowers in one place is held by Canada, with over 856,000 sunflowers planted in one field. Sunflowers exhibit complex interactions with light, using blue light to grow and develop properly, showing their true biological sophistication.
A single sunflower can house up to 2,000 seeds, making them incredibly productive plants.
In some regions, sunflowers are grown not for their seeds or oil, but for use as animal feed, especially for birds. The oil extracted from sunflower seeds is light in taste and appearance, making it a preferred oil for frying and baking. Sunflower planting can significantly contribute to the reduction of carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, making them an ally in fighting climate change. Interestingly, sunflower stalks contain a fiber that can be used in the production of paper and even some textiles. Some sunflower species are capable of hyperaccumulating heavy metals from the soil, which can be used for cleaning up environmental pollutants. The oldest evidence of sunflower cultivation dates back approximately 4,500 years in present-day Mexico. Closing with a fascinating fact: when sunflowers are in their bud stage, they can actually generate electric fields that influence the behavior of bees and other pollinators.
Thank you for joining us on this sunny journey through the world of sunflowers. Remember, like sunflowers, we can all turn towards the light during dark times and grow towards our brightest potential.